With the leg in full extension, measure 6 inches or 15 centimeters above and below mid-patella and record the circumference. If the patient is between two sizes, we recommend using the smaller size in combination with one of the extension kits. The configuration required is selected according to which side of the knee is affected. Ask the patient to sit down and partially bend the knee with the foot flat on the floor. Fully open the brace. Position the brace on the leg so that the hinge is on the affected side of the knee, and the kneecap opening is positioned around the kneecap. For proper height positioning, align the bottom of the Össur logo on the hinge with the upper edge of the patella. Additional yellow lines have been added for improved visibility. For proper side positioning, the front edge of the hinge cap should be at the midline of the leg when looking from the side. While keeping the brace in place with one hand, affix the tabs in the order shown to the fastening locations on the brace. The dot symbols on each tab and fastening location indicate the correct sequence and locations for attachment. Make sure all the tabs are tight but comfortable. If necessary, adjust the tabs again. Move the DFS strap behind the leg and thread it through the D-ring. Detach the alligator clip and fasten it to the 5 position on the DFS strap. While keeping the brace in place with one hand, tighten the loose end of the DFS strap down over the alligator clip. When sufficiently tight and sitting firmly against the leg, fold the DFS strap into the alligator clip. Have the patient stand up and take a few steps to verify correct positioning of the brace and tightness of the DFS strap and tabs. Determine optimal DFS strap tension based on patient's pain relief feedback. If the patient requires more or less tension with the alligator clip at the 5 position, adjust the length of the DFS strap accordingly. Aim for final DFS strap placement at the 5 position, since this will give the patient the ability to adjust dosing up or down during daily life activities. When final fit has been confirmed, trim the DFS strap to the appropriate length. Brace removal. Ask patient to sit down with the leg extended. Remove the DFS strap from the D-ring. Unfasten the tabs from the fastening locations on the brace. Remove the brace from the leg and secure the hook and loop fasteners to better preserve the life of the brace. This will also serve to protect the brace when washing.